What up everyone, it's KTG. We're testing out the GoPro 8 low light setting. It's 9:52 p.m. and we're gonna ride south towards Lakeville, and as you can see there's not much light besides from my gauge and stuff, so I don't know how that affects everything, but this is just a test.
This is a test. This station is conducting a test of the emergency broadcasting system. This is only a test.
We do a lot of group rides at night on the highway. You know, I want to test it out before I go out and actually do one of those rides. I'm really thinking about that quad lock phone holder. I mean, I'm hearing really good things about it. Only thing that's really a con is you have to use your phone case. I don't know. I've never heard anything bad about their phone case, so who knows? Or maybe when you go riding, you can throw it into that phone case for that ride, and then you can take it out and put it back to the phone case that you like. That could be an option. I don't know. We'll see. We'll take a look into it. But back into our low light setting review. Let's see how it picks up these cars, these signs. And there's going to be street lights here and there, so we'll see how everything looks. My last bulb just burnt out, but I just put in a halogen 4,800K light bulb, I think. Yeah, it's not quite 5,000, it's 4,800. But I like it because it's not like, it's still yellowish, I guess, not white-ish. I kind of want it whitish. No, I'm not gonna lie, I want it more whitish. I wonder what's going on over here. Should have wore a hoodie. It's kind of chilly. Oh, it's kind of scary because when you lean over, it's like there's a spot where the light doesn't hit. See what I'm saying? Can't take these ones too crazy because it's so dark and I don't know these roads. Yeah, like right there, I didn't know that was going into a right turn lane. It's a more well lit area, so we'll see how this looks with the low light setting on. That IS, it looks like a Lexus IS has been shining the way behind me too, so thanks. Oh, I'm supposed to turn there. Oops. Oh, shit, a lot of gravel.
Alright, we're in the lab now. This is the voiceover using the blue Snowball Ice microphone, and just looking at the video, it's blurry. So reminder, the settings are 1080p, 60 frames per second, super wide view with the stability boost is on max. I do not recommend these settings for motovlogging at all. I think the normal settings probably work best for the night motovlogs if you do that. But otherwise, as you can see, the quality of the video, it's blurry, you can barely see anything, so I think you're better off not using the low light setting if you're doing a motovlog. Otherwise, that's my thoughts, that's what I feel. Hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I do post regularly, post about once a week. Join me for my ride. This is a road to 1K. Thanks a lot. I'm a starter, right? Yeah, yeah. Sorry if I'm blind, stuck up on